Kabadimelon!
Deep in the jiggly jungle where vines wiggle and parrots giggle, lives a very special elephant. Meet Ellie, she's friendly, funny, and always full of big ideas. And today, Ellie has a very big idea. Yep, you saw that right, Underpants. On her head, Zippy the Monkey swings in from a vine mid-banana bite. Zippy the Monkey thought he'd seen everything until he saw Ellie. Ellie! Underpants go on your bottom, not your brain, but Ellie just twirled and smiled. Well, my brain likes to be cozy. And just like that, the silliness began. Penny the parrot was jungle fancy. She loved feathers, glitter, and fashion shows.
Ellie, what is that on your head?
It's jungle style. Well then, you need a feather ball. Penny loved it, so did Ellie. Timothy the turtle waddles in confused. Then came Timothy the turtle with his best bow tie and biggest confusion face.
Wait, are we wearing clothes the wrong way today?
Yep, it's silly day. Ellie said so, and who could argue with that? Before you could say banana socks, the jungle turned into a silly fashion parade. There were hats on tails, shoes on noses, pineapples as purses, and Ellie leading the way with her polka-dot headpants. Be yourself and giggle loud. Ellie's jungle is fun and proud. Underpants go here or there. We wear them with.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to Kabadimelon!